If you're looking for good quality budget VR headset, then you should watch this video. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the review of this IRUSU VR. Let's begin. So before starting this video guys, if you wanna be my friend, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. After that, let's do the unboxing of this package. So on the back of this box we have so many information, like it has focal distance adjustment, pupil adjustment, and lots of information available on the back of this box, as well as there are so many information available on the sides too, as you see, like wider field of view, fixed focal, ABS plastic. So yeah, let's open it. So as you see in the box, first of all we got this VR headset itself, then after that we got this remote, then after that some of the reading materials over here, like user guide with pictorial indications, so you should read that before operating the VR headset. So yeah, after that we get this pamphlet over here, then after that we got this remote over here, which is just a one hand remote, and it is very ergonomic and very good. It takes two AAA batteries to operate and it connects via Bluetooth. I will talk about that in the later part of the video. After that we got this VR headset itself. By the way guys, it's been like more than 15 days since I'm using this VR headset, so yeah, let's do a review. So first of all, talking about the build quality. So as you see, this whole VR headset is built with plastic, but the plastic is kinda okayish. I would expect a little bit more, but the plastic is kind of good in my opinion. It's not very high end or something like that, but it's kinda acceptable in this price range. This whole thing is built with plastic, and the area which sits on your head comes with this foam type of material, and it has small holes to breathe the air and keep the environment cool. And it's a very useful, it's quite comfortable to wear for longer sessions too, and it has so many lens adjustment. As you see on the top, it has a side adjustment as well as front and back adjustment. These are called pupil adjustment. So if you are wearing glasses, you can adjust your vision according to your glass number. Talking about the quality of the lens is quite good. After that, talking about the comfort, it has this comfort padding over here, and wearing it for longer session is not a big issue. So it's quite comfortable, no issues. And it comes with this remote control, and with this remote control you can control a lot of things. And by the way, it's just a Bluetooth remote controller. You can pair it with your smartphone with Bluetooth, and you can control your smartphone too with this Bluetooth, but you can control games from this Bluetooth while using this VR, and it's a very useful remote. As you see, it has lots of functions. So as you see, it has OK button and joystick, back button, as well as menu button. By the way, this VR headset also has built-in headphone in them, so that's a very nice feature. As you see over here, it has a headphone jack over here. You can connect the headphone jack in your smartphone and play any VR content which are available on Play Store as well as YouTube. You can download immense amount of VR applications from Play Store, as well as you can watch VR content from YouTube too. So after that, just play those VR content and connect this 3.5mm headphone jack into your headphone jack if your smartphone has headphone jack. Otherwise you are out of luck, my friend. You have to use your jack. Then after connecting it, just put it inside and close the lid and enjoy the VR experience. And it has 4 buttons, as you see over here. One button is basically to touch on the screen anywhere, and we have 3 buttons. Basically these are 3 multifunction buttons: volume up, volume down, and just main multifunction button. And it has a microphone too, so you can take calls. By the way, talking about the quality of the headphones, they are great, and the sound quality from the headphones are good. Even it has some amount of bass too, so no issues in terms of the headphones quality. So overall guys, in terms of conclusion, it's quite good product in this price category, but it could be little bit better. The plastic does not feel that premium as per my opinion. In terms of comfort, it is very good and you can enjoy this. It's a very immersive experience using it, but the build quality is not as good as I was thinking in this price range. So this was my review of this IRUSU VR headset guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you like this VR headset or not, or do you like this video or not? Let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you do like this video. If you find this video helpful, then hit that like button guys. And guys, if you wanna purchase this VR headset, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. I hope to see you in my next video. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I push new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.